Hi ladies, today is May 5th, and we are working on page 13 today in our packet. It is week 5, day 2. We are looking at the problem in front of you today about Sarah, and she is babysitting and earning some money over the weekend. So Sarah earned $10.75 babysitting on Friday. She earned $15.75 on Saturday. How much money did she earn in 2 days? All right, so to begin, let's ask ourselves, what's the question? Well, how much money she earned in those 2 days. So now we need to figure out what is it that she even earned. So what are my quantities that represent the amount of money that Sarah earned? So first things first, she worked 2 different days. She worked Friday and she worked Saturday. So on Friday, she earned $10.75. And then she also worked on Saturday, and on Saturday, she earned $15.75, and we want to know how much money she earned in those 2 days. So asking ourselves, what does that mean? Do we have our total? Are we searching for our total? So over those 2 days, is her pockets going to fill up with money, or is she giving money away? So asking ourselves, if she's giving that money away, what operation would that tell us we need to do? Or if she's earning money and she's able to take that money and put it in her pocket and keep it, how do I solve to figure out what the total amount is? So at this point, make sure you have those quantities listed on your paper. And then once you have solved and you're ready to check your work, please unpause and we'll check it together. All right, hi ladies. We are looking at the problem about Sarah and her money that she earned babysitting over the weekend. So take a look at our quantities. So we have $10.75 that was earned on Friday, and then $15.75 that was earned on Saturday. And we're asking ourselves how much total money was earned in these 2 days, Friday and Saturday. So we want to ask ourselves, what is it that we're trying to figure out? Are we trying to figure out if she's giving money away? Are we trying to figure out how much money she's keeping in her pocket? Are units the same? Are they different? What do we know about the units? What do we know about the operations? So we're asking ourselves how much money she earned over those 2 days, so Saturday and Friday. And we want to know how much money she's able to keep in her pocket. So basically, if she's working these 2 days and she's earning this money, we don't know our total yet. We're trying to figure out the total amount of money that was earned in those 2 days. So yesterday we did a problem similar to this using money, and we want to figure out how much total money we have. So since we are using money for each of our units, we know that we can add those two together in order to get our total. Okay, so we're finding the total, which means we don't know what that larger quantity is. Remember, when you are adding or subtracting decimals, you want to make sure that your decimal is lined up. So first thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that we line up the decimal. Okay, so that $15 is going to be that 5 ones and the 110. And then we have the 75 cents, so 7 in the tenths place, 5 in the hundredths place. And then we're going to add those two quantities together. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Remember, bring down your decimal, okay? We don't move it over as many places as it is, so 2 and 2, it just we bring it straight down. 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2. So as of right now, we have that she earned $26.50 between Friday and Saturday. But now we want to check our work to make sure that we are correct. Again, yesterday, we did a problem similar to this. And we know that the opposite of addition is going to be subtraction. So we're going to start with this bottom quantity, that largest amount. We're going to start with our whole. We're going to subtract away a part. And then we should be getting the other part as our answer. And then these 3 numbers should be our fact family, which means that we're correct. So we're going to solve this now. So 0, we can't do 0 minus 5, so we're going to borrow from this 5, make it a 4. This becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 7 we can't do, so we're going to borrow. This became 5, this becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 5 minus 5 is 0. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. Remember, we lined up those decimals and brought it straight down. These two quantities match, so we are correct. So looking at this, our unit is money. So you want to make sure that you have a dollar sign listed before your answer. So she earned a total of $26.50. And then we want to make sure that when we list this out, everything has a dollar sign as well. So for our equation, we have $10.75 plus $15.75. And then our answer has a dollar sign as well, which is $26.50.